This video will provide an overview of the Commission's presentation and training options, as well as walk through how to schedule a training with our team. In our previous video, we explored the Commission's data capabilities and best practices for filling out a data request form. Be sure to check out that video using the link below. If you're interested in learning more about the Commission's presentation and training options, keep watching. Hello everyone, my name is Brittany Bunch. I am the Outreach Specialist with the DC Sentencing Commission, and my job is to inform the public, interested parties, as well as criminal justice practitioners in regards to the Commission's educational resources, as well as new initiatives.
And hello everyone, my name is Megan Buckley. I'm the Attorney Advisor for the Commission. One of my roles as the Commission's attorney is to help with the training of our practitioners, partners, judges, as well as law clerks, and work with Ms. Bunch as part of our community outreach with her presentations.
So as Megan mentioned, we work together in regards to trainings and presentations. However, I primarily handle coordination for community presentations, whereas Megan handles coordination for practitioner trainings. Our trainings and presentations encompass a wide array of different topics, including an introduction into who the Commission is and the work that we do, as well as sharing some of our annual report facts and some data specific presentations. We do have presentations focused in on the guidelines, providing an overview, as well as more topic specific presentations focused in on out of district scoring of convictions, as well as a presentation that goes over the full DC felony sentencing process and the Commission's role. Pretty much anything guidelines related.
So part of the reason that we ask that you submit a request for the presentations is so we can cater to the audience that you want us to be presenting to. So we can build a presentation for the general public, for district residents looking to learn more about the criminal system in the district, our annual report facts, as well as just general information about the guidelines and their application. We're also able to build presentation for our fellow criminal justice partners, CSOSA, their diagnostic report teams, superior court judges, law clerks. We really take the information about who the audience is and craft that presentation based on their background with the guidelines and any information that they're looking to have. And it could potentially be a mixed audience, and that's also helpful information for us about the type of questions and the different perspectives that we'll be speaking to.
So the presentation length is really dependent upon the request. However, generally our community presentations range between 5 to 30 minutes, as well as our practitioner trainings generally go between 30 minutes to an hour.
So any information that you can provide to us about the training or presentation you're looking to have us host is important and helpful, but I would say some of the most important pieces of information are your proposed date or timeline you are hoping that the presentation can be, the group or audience being presented to, as I mentioned earlier, that really helps us shape the presentation. Any topics you were hoping that we can present on, whether it's annual report facts, maybe data, a specific topic about the guidelines, maybe a more specific piece on enhancements, for example, and then any questions that you are anticipating from the audience. If we can anticipate those ahead of time, we can actually make sure that we're able to answer them live in the moment rather than potentially have to say, we'll get back to you with a response for that, depending on the intricacies of the question. So information is always most helpful, but I would say those are probably the pieces of information that we require in order to build a presentation to meet your needs.
So, in order to book a session, we encourage you to go to our website and fill out our digital form. There, you can take all of the information that Megan mentioned beforehand and place that there. Also, if you feel a little bit more comfortable getting guided through that process, you can always give us a call as well as send us an email.
So I would always say as much notice as you're able to give us is always helpful. We never know how busy our schedule may be. If we do have quite a few presentations or trainings already booked on our calendar, but just as a kind of rule of thumb, we would say 2 weeks for our introductory or community presentations. And then about a month for our trainings. But all of this also depends on if these are pieces of information, trainings, presentations that we've tended to give before. If we're crafting maybe something new based on a data request or maybe a more nuanced training that covers quite a few topics that we haven't touched on before, we're very excited and eager to do so. It may just take us a little bit more time to build that presentation, get the data request, review it, etc. So the more time and flexibility you have potentially with your dates, especially depending on where we are with our schedule, we are a small agency, so we ask that you have a little bit of patience with us, is better. But we're very happy to work and make sure that we can meet with your needs, whether it's community outreach that meets after traditional work hours, maybe you meet during a lunch hour. So we're very happy to meet your needs and we'll work with you.
So, as Megan said beforehand, we are here to support you and your group. So, if that means you need to give us a call and send us an email. Our phone number is 202-727-8822, and our email address is scdc@dc.gov. We are here for you.
If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Also, be sure to check out our website at sentencing.dc.gov and follow us on our social media accounts. Links are in the description box below. Stay tuned for our next video. We will be exploring the Commission's role in providing sentencing policy recommendations in the district, as well as answering some frequently asked questions. Looking forward to seeing you for our next video.